Gratis call. Ayan guys. Today is Nicole's graduation day. Hi! Hey, lihong pa. Gratis po yan. Ayan guys, we already found a restaurant para i-celebrate natin yung graduation ni Ate Nicole. Ayan, congrats! And dito tayo kakain guys. Ayan guys, kain lang tayo sa TGIF Fridays. And celebrate natin yung graduation ni Ate Nicole. Yay! Ayan! Hi guys! Hi Ate Nicole! Yeah! Ayan yung kay Kayla guys. Fries and chicken. And then kay Ate, she's going to have pasta and meatballs. Kay Ate Nicole, she's going to have burger, fries. Ate Nicole. And tapos going to have pasta with chicken and shrimp. Then of course for me, it's going to be salmon. I love salmon guys. And salad. Ayan guys, let's eat! Gratis! Gratis ate! Yay! Ang dami pala. Ate Nicole, no? Graduate. Say congratulations, Ate Nicole. Tak-tak. Ate. Boo! Yan guys, we already found the bracelet, earring for Christian. So this is going to be her graduation present. Ayan. This is from me and this is from Mama. Ayan. Central Station, and this is where we go. Come, Ate.
Wow! Oh, wow! How we go here, Mom?
Yeah. We're going to Mama Lake.
What?
We are going to Mama Lake.
I'm so happy to see Mama Lake.
The Central Station looks like. Ayan. Patulog na si Baby Loves. Yes. Yeah, we're going to Mama Lake now. So, ayan guys, this is how the train station looks like. This is the regional one, which is going to north and south. And we have 16 hours of train going from Stockholm to Gällivare. So, ayan. There's a lot of food stalls here, and then there's also some Starbucks. Ayan guys, you can see. Mangal barbecue. Ayan. Ate, are you excited to see Mama Leng?
Yeah.
Are you? Let me see your face. Are you excited to see Mama Leng? Ha? Ayan guys, nakatulog na si Baby Loves. And there are more food outlets over there. The other side. Ha? Ito natin din. Pwede rin. Ayan guys.
Mama. Hi.
Hi. So ayan guys, we are now waiting for the train to arrive. So it's going to be 17 hours train ride going to Gällivare from Stockholm. So Mama lives there. That's also my hometown for quite some time. Yeah, we're going to Mama Leng. Yeah, it's so yeah, we both live in Sweden, but I live in Stockholm and they live actually in Gällivare. It's in northern part of Sweden. Like I've said, it's 17 hours train ride. So yeah, we're going to be at the train by 6 and then we're going to be there tomorrow by 11 a.m. So ayan guys, let's see how is the kids going to react. But they've
Come on.
yeah, we're going to number 11.
Yeah.
Yan guys.
Mama, why we come asleep?
Yeah, we are going to sleep in the train.
In the train?
Is it 11? Oh my god, we're in the last part of the train.
Hey, yeah, Mama. Hey, yeah, Mama. Hey, yeah, Papa.
Come on. Yeah, here's 11 ah. Yeah. So we're here guys. 11. Number 34 to 36 call. Yeah. Get inside. Get inside, ate.
It's too huge. It's too huge.
Oops.
Are you okay, Mom?
Yeah.
Mama, why?
34. Ito, 34. 34 to 36 here. Ayan guys. So this is how it looks like.
Bye-bye.
Dito ka na
Enjoy.
muna. We go
Enjoy
there
your
first.
vacation.
Yes, bye-bye. Ayan guys. Ate.
Basta ako mahal ah.
Yeah, bye-bye.
I'm loving you, Papa.
Love you. Parang iyak ka pa.
Nay, walkers kay grota. Hey, Dad.
Puspus na pinaka.
Ayan guys, so this is going to be our room. Ayan, the kids have already settled in and I'm just going to show you how it is. So there, we have a room for 3. They also have a room for 6 and then seating, just for sitting. But this one is especially for sleeping. So ayan. So we have one there upstairs for Ate Nicole, and then the middle we can have it later. We just have to pull it down later for Ate Nakaya. And then here at the bottom we have one more bed for me and Baby Loves. And then what else did they have? They have this small sink. They also have this charge station, and then they have this switch for the light. They also have this what they call this mirror, and then they have water, paper mugs, and then they also have this shampoo and hair gel. Ayan. Soap, because here in the train you can take a shower. So here is the key if you want to go take a shower, and this is the key for the whole room. So we have this room for ourselves. And I specifically asked for this so that we can sleep comfortably. Yeah, since it's 17 hours train ride and I have 3 kids with me, so I really need to have my own space. So yan guys. So they also have this place for the storage, and we can hang our jackets there. They also have this stairs, and there is some table as well. So ayan guys, we are finally settled in. So ayan, I'm going to show you later where they have the restaurant as well as the bathroom and shower room, so we can also see and I can take a look. We can take a look. Yeah, we'll see you guys in Yellabora.
Hi.
Ayan guys, so the kids are just here. Hi.
Hi. I'm
They're
here.
coloring and watching some movies. So they're there. Hi, Ate Nika.
Hi.
So
It's
they're
too
there.
high.
Yeah. And then I forgot to show you guys that there's also, of course, pillows and duvet that is also provided, as well as some radio. They have like this radio everywhere, and also alarm clock. There's the alarm clock. So they have it. And what is this? I don't know what's this. Aha, that's just light. And then there you can adjust the thermometer. Yes. Hi.
Hi. I'm here.
So here is Baby Loves, and I can just see them from here, or I can just do like this. So ayan guys. Yeah. What is that? What is this? That's for Ati's game, not for you. Hi. Halika na, Nakaya. Go. So, ayan guys. We are now going to the bistro. Ate. Oh. Be careful, ha? Okay, go. Go. Go first. Go. Ate, come here. On the way to the bistro. We're going to the bistro, guys. Ah, ito pala yung shower eh. They have shower here as well. Or, let me see if we can open the shower. This is how the showers looks like. Let's see if we can do this. Oh, yeah. So, here's the shower. Ayan.
Also towels.
Yeah, there's also some towels. And, yeah.
Is it cold?
And then here, they have this dryer, and the shower looks like this. So ayan, so we're going to the bistro now, so we're taking the kids with us. Maybe they want to have something. Ayan guys, so this is how the toilet looks like. Come on.
Again.
Yeah, one more.
Många timmar.
Oh, one more. Be careful pala. This is the toilet. Wow, it's so far.
Och flyget kallas mamma.
Hey, vad konstigt.
Yeah, and this is where the sitting place are. Ayan. Finally finally arrived at the bistro. Ate, hold her. Stop her. Yeah. Come on na, ate. We're going to buy. Yeah, go, 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 go. In front of going to buy food. And coffee. What do you want, ate? What do you want? There's the food. You can buy some food. So they all have these kinds of food, guys. Those the fat ones. And this is really nice Swedish shrimp sandwich. And then they also have this noodle salad. We're just going to buy water and then juice. We also have, guys, kasi food in the room. Yeah? Ate, be careful. You want this, ate? Chips? You want some chips? Gummy bear? You can have it later. Yeah, it's enough. Come on.
Mellerud, de hade på måndag.
Coffee, guys. And they also have to go. We have already food naman in the room, so I didn't buy a lot. We're here at the bistro and we're just going to have some snacks.
Han hade ju fin mat på andra sidan. Ser du viktigare?
Ayan guys, just to give you idea on how a 6-room looks like. So it's like this. It doesn't have its own sink. So yeah, let me see if we can open this. Oh, it's locked. So yeah, but it's like that, and then you can yeah, you can take this up, this side, take it up, and then it makes it 6 beds.
Like that.
So yeah, come on, ate. Let's go. Be careful, be careful. And we have overstopped in Kalbu.
Mama, can we go see now?
Huh?
Or has we can sit up?
Yeah, you can also sit there in the corridor if you want to. Come on, I'm just going to quickly show you guys how the toilet looks like. Yeah. So it's like this. Small one. So yeah. The train is not moving right now, so I can show you a little bit. So here you can change the baby there. And this is the toilet. Yeah. Let's go, ate.
Oh.
No. Go on.
Mama, hurry.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Go. Go. Go on. Go on. Here, here. 36 to 34. This is our room.
Yes?
Yeah? Ate, get off.
Why?
So, ayan guys. We're just going to put this up and then roll this. This is
Why?
our duvet.
Oh, it's right.
Yeah. So, this is where we are going to sleep, baby loves and I. And this is where we're going, Ate Nicole is going to sleep. But I maybe take her later if it's going to be a little bit dangerous for her or she might not get comfortable in here. So let's see. And then there upstairs, here's where Ate Nicole's going to sleep.
We can sleep like that.
Yeah.
We can sleep like that.
Good morning, guys. Hi. Good morning, baby loves. Hi, guys. So this is where we slept, and we slept the whole trip. Ate Nicole is very good. She slept from 10 p.m. until the morning. Baby love slept as well very nicely. She slept from 11 until 5, and then she woke up for 2 hours and then sleep again. It's already 9:30, and we are about to be in Yalavare in 1.5 hours. We're going to prepare now, and Ate Nicole slept there instead. So yeah, Ate Nicole is have been sleeping with me beside me for the past 4 years. So she didn't manage to sleep upstairs, but it was Ate Nicole who slept in the bunk bed. So yeah, but we had a very good trip, and yeah, no tantrums and all, baby. Hey, good morning, Ate.
Why my leg got too big? So big, Mom. This is so big.
Guys, so we are almost in Yalavare, and we're done already fixing our room. So we are almost ready. And yeah, I just want to quickly show you that, like, yeah, this is the Swedish map, and we live in capital of Sweden, which is Stockholm, in the region of Södermanland, and my mother lives all the way up in here. Just so you know. So yeah, we both live in Sweden, but we're from here.
Oh, this is
and
in
mom
between.
lives here,
Here is the
Norrbotten.
green. And
Yeah.
we go all the way in here.
Yeah, we go all the way here. So we managed to survive the 17 hours trip though. The kids are fine, and they're happy and excited to see Mama Ling. Hi, baby loves. You're so busy. Hi. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yeah,
We are almost in Yalavare. Almost in Yalavare. We are in Yalavare. We are now in Yalavare. Yes, 17 hours train ride is done. It's done, you guys. Wow. And the weather is so nice, guys. Ah, here they are probably. Oh. Yeah, this is Yalavare. We are now here. There's Mama and Papa. And the kids just survived 17 hours of train ride. Yay! You're so good, Ate. You're so good.